I'm here in this old hardware today. This is Marv from Marv's Fixit shop, but I manage this old store, and this has been bugging me for quite a while now, and I'm wondering if I can fix it. Do you see that? Boy, that has to be letting a lot of air in. What do you think? Let's see if we can't find us a part and screw it on the bottom of that. Let's see what we can do. How about it? I guess the hardest part of this is going to be deciding what I want to do. Look at all these weather strippings that I have to choose from. So let me take a look at these and see what I can come up with as far as what to put on. Probably be something like this that mounts right to the door maybe. But let's pick something out here. We have just a bit of an issue, but I think I have it figured out. The door actually measures over 3 foot, and I don't have anything in here long enough. But what I do have is these weather strippings for garage doors. So what I think I'm gonna do is measure that door and take this weather stripping up to my miter box and go ahead and cut it down to the length and put that on. I'll have to screw it on though. Well, we got her cut. Now to size that up with some screws and see what we can find back here. Oh boy, self-tapping screws. Those are too long. What about these right here? Let's see if these will work. I believe they will. I'm going to grab a handful of those and try them out. Okay. See that gap right there, and we're going to see if we can't close it up. Does that close it up?
Yep.
Okay, I'm going to put a screw in then, about right here, right in the center. And then we'll work towards the outside. Oh boy, that took her in. That'll pull her right off if I do that with all of them. Come in.
Or what? Probably.
I wanted to close this gap up. What do you think, Judy?
It's looking good.
Okay. Let's see if it works. There you can see we have that screwed on. We no longer have the gap under the door, which is what we were shooting for. So looks pretty good for a quick makeshift job. Jobs like this and others in this hardware is just an everyday occurrence for this old man, but we make our way through it. We try to help the customers as they need it the best we can, and this store actually helps us, but I've helped customers a lot of times with this type of project, and I hope to do it again someday. If you have any comments in regards to this video, please share them. I appreciate it. If you want to watch more videos or subscribe to my channel, if this is something you like to watch, I'd love for you to do that too, along with sharing it. If you want to watch another video, grab this one right up here. I'm sure you'll love it. Can it be fixed? Sure it can. Can you fix it? You're darn right you can fix it. Until we see you the next time.